Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install Floor Generator in 3ds Max. Alright, so first up, open up your browser and then just go ahead and type down Floor Generator 3ds Max. And then you're going to find the CG Source website right here. Now, for you to be able to get the Floor Generator full version, you'll have to buy the license, okay? But you can go ahead and test out the version. But the only problem with the free version is that it only got standard floor pattern, okay? So if you want to test it out, go ahead and click on download. Make sure that you create your account, or you go ahead and buy it directly, okay? So once that's downloaded, you'll have a RAR file. So just extract it, extract, and you'll have this folder, okay? So double click on it and you'll find a ton of DLM files or file extensions. Now just find your 3ds Max version. I have a 2026 version of 3ds Max right here. So I'm going to copy the 2026 version as well. Copy. Gotta find the directory of 3ds Max, Autodesk, 3ds Max 2026. Gotta find the plugins folder right here. Double click, paste that in here. Okay, there'll be a pop-up. Just click on continue. Wait for it. And then after that, run a 3ds Max. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads up, continue with your work. And then you can go ahead over to the modifiers right here. They're on the drop down, and you should be able to see Floor Generator. Just type it down right here. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to install Floor Generator 3ds Max. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.